If you want to create or amend product in bulk, this is done by the way of flat file. A flat file is an Excel or text file which contains the product detail. It is referenced by the product SKU, which is called stock keeping unit. That is the stock number you give the product in the inventory details. There are the different types of the files which are used for different tasks. Several times we will be considering here are the category specific flat file used for creating or amending product details. The inventory upload a file which is used for matching the product and also changing some details such as the pricing tags, details, shipping details, and FBA detail, and the price quantity file which edits say in the 10 changes. The price and the quantity of stock flat files are downloaded from inventory and the product file and uploaded. The first type of we'll look at is the category specific file category. Specific file as they say are the specific category. They need to select the category you want the details for, and you can select more than one category for file. So if we select pet supply and then cats and then clothing, we could also for example select shoes and bags, women shoes, court shoes, and then we will be download a file which has a detail for both these categories. When creating a product for multiple categories, it is best to have the categories which are similar. Otherwise, you will have widely divergent product detail which need to be entered into. The next step is to choose the type of template you want. An advanced template will contain all the fields while the custom template you can choose the different attributes group you want. For example, you can choose what you just want images or whether you want the details or not, or maybe to be the details or not. So if we add some of these, if we want a customer template, then you select your marketplaces. If you select multiple marketplaces, you will need to set a price for each marketplace, and you only enter the description in one language and Amazon will translate it automatically. If we generate a template, it will appear down here in the list of previously generated template and the template will download here at the bottom of the add product. File upload file is the inventory file section. This is where you can find the inventory load of file. This is the file you use if you matching the product and also the price and quantity the file which is the file used. If you want to change the price and the quantity of the product in your inventory, if you click on this, you will be taken to the details page where you can download the files.